Well, hello there! In this video, we're going to explore our ASL newsletter for beginners. Aha! So if you're a beginning ASL student, this stuff is for you. Alright, I'm going to be scrolling on my phone as we go so you can see what I see. Alright, so let's take a look. This is the sign up page for our ASL newsletter for beginners. We're talking about weekly ASL lesson emails. That's right, everything sent to your email inbox. Figure spelling, sign pairs, and more. Alright, so this is where you can sign up. Alright, we scroll down, we can see free weekly ASL newsletter for beginners. That's right, it's no charge, it's free. And we can scroll down some more, we can see an example email. So we're going to take a look at what it actually looks like to receive, what the email looks like in your email inbox. Alright, so here we have ASL newsletter for beginners number 3. The first part of the email is more kind of a personal touch from my life. You can take a peek inside where I'm at in the world. I travel a lot. You can see where I'm at, what I'm doing, just kind of what's going on. I also include a Google Maps link so you can tap on it and see where I'm at in the world and explore around and just kind of, see what's there. Alright, so you keep scrolling. The second part of the intro is what you'll actually be doing in this lesson. Alright, so in this specific ASL newsletter, this week's What Am I Signing lesson has 1, finger spelling recognition, and 2, antonym signs. Aha, scroll down to start. So let's scroll. Alright. Scroll down to get started. We got some dots. Let's scroll down. The first thing, you're going to see me signing. They'll have question marks, so you try to figure out what I'm signing. All right, I'll be signing at regular speed. There's 2 parts to this one. First one is finger spelling, so a finger spelled message. Try to figure out what I'm signing. The second part is a sign pair. In this case, it's antonym pair because you can see the little yin-yang opposites. So I'm signing at regular speed. You soak it up, trying to figure out what I'm signing. I urge you to just pause for a moment and soak up what you're signing. It might feel overwhelming. I don't know what's going on, but I would trust your intuition more. American Sign Language is just so visual, it's intuitive, that you're probably understanding something even though you might not think you are. Whether it's context, whether it's facial expression, whether it's the environment, they're pointing at something, something's going on. I would urge you to pause, slow down, and even if you understand something, just the mood, that's something, right? Okay, maybe you'll even understand some of the signs or all of the signs, who knows? So this is regular speed. We scroll some more and it says scroll for slower signing. Aha! Now I'm going to be signing the same stuff, the same fingerspell message and the same antonym pair, but this time slower. Aha! Once again, take your time, soak it up, try to figure out what am I signing. After that, you can scroll some more and it says scroll for the answer. Scrolls down, see the dots, and this is what I was fingerspelling. So in this case, the fingerspelled message was start living. Aha! And the antonym pair is large and small. Now as you're coming down here, going through it, even when it's just the question marks, and you don't know quite what I'm doing, I urge you to sign with me. Just copy and mimic my signs, even if you don't quite know what you're signing. Because once you get down to the answer and it's slower speed, you can sign with me. Just do it. Practice, practice, practice. Just makes that mind-body connection so that in the future, we can do it even easier. Aha! So let's scroll down. Now it says scroll for the video lesson. There's more. All right, so use the sign pair with context. So the sign pair in this case was large and small, an antonym pair. So we scroll down and it says use what you learned, sign with me. And it's pointing to this GIF image right here. It's automated or it's moving. And I'm signing a little mini dialogue. All right, so it says click here, full video lesson. So you would click there and you would go to a video lesson. And we're going to check it out in a moment. I'm just going to scroll down and show you how the email ends. So you scroll down and it says questions, thoughts, feedback. Reply to this email. So we love your feedback. We're designing stuff specifically tailored, designed for beginners, because beginning to study anything, a language, a sign language, it's exciting, but it's often overwhelming. And we're working like crazy to just break it down and make it simple. So if you have feedback for us, or if you like what we're doing, let us know if we can improve. Let us know if you like what we're doing. It helps us out and motivates us. Okay, so let's go back up to use what you learned. And in this case, it was the antonym pair, large and small. So let's scroll to where it says click here. Let's tap and we're going to see the full video lesson. Okay, so here we are inside our ASL bundle. You may have heard of our ASL bundle, and it's not free, but the individual lessons that you will be linking to from the ASL newsletter, they're all free. We put it public preview so you can soak up the full lesson. So this is free public preview. I'm not signed in here, but you can see everything. Aha! So the first part is me signing at regular speed. Similar format to the email, but this time we can do full videos. Right, so if I push play, okay, so this is the mini dialogue. It's a full dialogue between myself with glasses and without glasses, but I'm signing at regular speed. That's the point here. Same thing, you try to figure out what am I signing. When you're ready, scroll down for slower signing, and you can push play and I'll be signing the same thing, but slowly. Right, same thing. Look at me, try to soak up what I'm signing and sign with me. Right? When you're ready, you can scroll down, you can see the answer. And I'm going to give you the answer at two separate speeds. We have a rabbit or a turtle there and a rabbit. So the answer here was your cheese pizza large? No, mine small. So you can see how we incorporated the antonym pair, large and small, into like a little pizza context with cheese. And you're going to be signing everything. So slow speed, practice with me. Just keep practicing, getting it sticking in your mind. Scroll down a bit and you can sign with me at regular speed, right? So lots of practice signing that little mini dialogue. Now you might think, well, are we going to stop there? Is that it? No, we're going to keep going. So scroll down, it says scroll for ASL versus English syntax. So syntax is just the structure of the language, the grammar. Sometimes ASL is very similar to English. Sometimes it is very different. In this case, let's take a look. So in ASL, we see the hand right there. It says your cheese pizza large. So right below that in italics, it says, is your cheese pizza large? So ASL, yours cheese pizza large. In English, is your cheese pizza large? In ASL, the answer was no, mine's small. In English, the version would be no, mine is small. So it's similar, but there's nuances and there's differences that it's just worth taking a look at the syntax to compare. All right, so let's scroll down. There's more. Okay, so this is where we put time in to the full explanation. All right, so you can see me here. I'm pointing at my face right now, but we can see the answer. Your cheese pizza large? No, mine's small. We are going to break everything down into each little individual sign and build it chunk by chunk. So let's take a look. All right, I'm just going to fast forward a little bit. First, you'll see an individual sign. All right, so we're going to go through it all, hand shape, hand motion, hand position, all that stuff, and you'll sign with me. And then after you learn that one, we'll move forward a little bit. Okay, so you can see we put two signs together. So here it's pizza large. So you're going to be putting those two signs. You learned each one individually. Now let's put them together and build a little chunk, a little mini phrase, pizza large. Then we move forward and you're going to learn more signs and more chunks. Let's take a look. All right, so 4 signs together in this one with the question. I'm going to talk about how to communicate the yes-no question. So here we put 4 signs together. Your cheese pizza large. And that's basically how it works in this video. We're going to be building the sentence, building the mini dialogue. And by the end of the sentence, by the end of the video, you're going to be signing everything. In this case, your cheese pizza large? No, mine small. So we basically feed you bit by bit to build your confidence and just have you very clear what each sign is. Put a sign together with another sign. You have a chunk, then build another chunk and put the chunks together and chunk, 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 and you have the full sentence. And in this case, the full mini dialogue. Okay, so that is how it works. Let's go back to the sign up page. All right, here we are. This is back at the sign up page for the ASL newsletter for beginners. This video was a peek inside, exploring, taking a look and seeing what you actually get. And I want to make sure you understand we design things for beginners on purpose. We're not going after intermediate. We're not going after advanced signers. That's wonderful, but there's so many people out there that just want to dive into the fundamentals, the simple stuff. Seems simple, but it's really important to just get those foundations down. The hand shape, the hand position, the hand motion, and doing it slowly. Being able to watch someone signing slowly, because we need to build up those skills and the confidence. All right, so go nuts with our ASL newsletter for beginners. Soak it up, have fun, and remember, if you want to give us feedback, where is it? There it is. Questions, thoughts, feedback. Oh, we love feedback. Okay, thanks for your time. You have a fantastic day.